All right, guys, I want to go over a very common question that I get during setup. So while a customer's installing a new OptX system, this is a pretty common question that both we and distribution get. And it involves this interlock light here. So while we're wiring up our new system, a lot of people are expecting this light to come on when their external interlocks are satisfied. This light does not come on until all interlocks are satisfied, including our trigger interlock here, as well as continuity. So when we come down and make continuity, that light's gonna turn on, all right? So how do we know if our external interlocks are wired correctly? Is our red pilot laser out the end of the torch. So when the external interlocks are broken, that red light will turn off. And when it's closed and reestablished, that light will turn back on. So that's a good way to indicate if you get that red pilot laser, then you know that you've wired your external interlocks correctly. For more information, go to millerwelds.com or contact your local welding equipment supplier.